these all tokens are nearly distributed. That means you don't have to worry about some rug pull. Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, we'll talk about a token that is quite trending recently because of this green candle. You can see right over here, BOBA token has pumped a lot, and that is why people are talking about it. What this project is, what it's about, is it a legit one, or should you buy it, or what is the best time to buy it? Everything about this token will be discussed in this video, including tokenomics. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about BOBA network. Now, before we begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember to click on link below to join my Telegram group right away. So what is BOBA network, guys? BOBA network, in short, is a layer 2 blockchain, and it focuses on something called as hybrid compute. That is what make it different from other layer 2 chains. Again, it is EVM compatible, like you can say, and also you can see the price action is 10 cents right now. It has a total supply of 500 million token only. That is a catch. Only 500 million token, and circulation supply will reach the complete supply in the month of June 20th, 2025. So from June 20th, 2025, it will have a 500 million total supply, which is again very low compared to any other blockchain, and that is why people are quite betting on this particular network. So let's study about this token. So this is the BOBA token. You can see right over here. This is not a new token. This is quite old token and is listed on top tier exchanges. You can see here it is listed on Gate.io, Bybit, Coinbase, BingX, XTX, MEXC. Except from Binance, it is listed on other top dexes or sexes, you can say. Now, coming back to the tokenomics, this is a tokenomics of BOBA token. It is an ERC20 token which is compatible with all EVM protocols such as Binance and much more. And below, you can see here the utility of this token. Just like ETH for Ethereum, this serves the same purpose on the BOBA network. You can see the goal of BOBA is to create a new digital token economy where the user, developer, and broader crypto community can be self-sustainable and truly experience a decentralized Web3 vision. BOBA supports a variety of utilities: hybrid compute, gas fee, governance, ecosystem growth, and of course you can earn rewards. Just like any other layer 1 blockchain token, it serves the same purpose. The overall transaction, it has 50 million. 114k users, and of course 7781 active tokens. Again, this is not a very big number, I can say, but again I can think it is a growing number given the fact that token is quite limited, and once the ecosystem expand, the chances of this token pumping is quite high. Let's talk about the total supply distribution. They have given 10% to the investors, 100 million or 20% to the team, 28% airdrop, and of course 28% to the treasury. Of course, these all tokens are nearly distributed. That means you don't have to worry about some rug pull or maybe drawdown, because these people have already claimed the token, they have already sold it or buy it, whatever you can say. Everything is taken care of by this particular project. So I told you this is not a new project, it is old project. You can see here September 20th 2022, 29 million tokens will be unlocked every quarter. The last unlock will be June 20th, 2025, which is like next month only. That might be the reason people are quite interested in this token, and that is the reason people are now started buying this token. You can see the holders is 11,935, and if you zoom in, you can see the holders are increasing every other day. You can see the rise. That is the reason why people are bullish, because the supply is now permanent. 500 million token, airdrop is done, no chance of rug pull. The token is growing. They have their own explorer. You can see here they have their own explorer, BOBA Scan, where you can actually search for your transactions. So clearly this one is a legit project. Plus you can also see here the bridge. They have a bridge from Ethereum to BOBA ETH or from any layer 1 or layer 2 chain. So clearly this one is a legit project. The tokenomics look good, everything looks good. But if you talk about the price, that is what we need to take a look at. The price is all-time high is $7.93. That happened 3 years back, and after that it hasn't seen any much of the growth. Of course, the recent all-time low is April 9th, that is 6 cents. That is the lowest it's gone. And if you talk about the price, it's 10 cents. That means it is near the all-time low. If you want to take a chance, I think this can be the good chance to buy this token. But we need to take a look at its ecosystem. Is it growing or is it dead? First of all, their social handle is quite active. They're trying hard to grow the network, and I think the project is still very active. And like I say, in any bull run, if things got pumping, this one will too pump. And the plus point is it is at a very low price at the moment, which is near to its all-time low. So that also means with the limited supply, this token has a chance to pump very high. Look at the market cap. $49 million for a layer 2 chain is nothing. It is actually nothing. So what I believe, with the increase in their ecosystem projects, if they increase, I think the token utility will be used, the more gas will be used. So that means the token is here to stay, and you can actually make 2x, 3x, or maybe 10x in this bull season once it started, especially in BOBA token. So that's my view about this token. What do you think about it? Comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.